go. Check it out. We're gonna see how much battery pack we used, and then I'm gonna test the temperature right now before they cool down. So we just stopped the car. Check it out. All right, so we got 96.6. Okay, we got 109, 108. Not bad. That was full on, pretty much like speed runs, tires spinning, street tires in the gravel, running high RPMs. So let's see how much voltage we have left in the batteries. All right, these are the 9,000 milliamp batteries by Max Amps. Plug one side in. You can never get them right the first time, but let's give it a shot. How much did we use? A lot. So 3.85, guys, that's almost my voltage cutoff. So full pack. Check it out, guys. You're gonna want to pick up some of these fans. I got them on pre-order right now. on my website. Should be about 2-3 weeks until I get them. I'm just waiting on these covers. That mesh screen right there, the stainless mesh screen, stops the grass from getting in there. Guys, these things are like unbreakable. Aluminum base plate, carbon fiber, 4mm stick. You can switch out the screws however you wish. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for doing such big things for PnwRC Madness. All the support. I love it. It's awesome. I love watching all your guys' videos on Facebook, all that good stuff. It looks like I damaged my camera. So guys, thanks a lot.